Welcome to the next class of microeconomics, that is new heading of the chapter, that is concept of revenue. As we have done in the last chapter, or the last heading, that is concepts of revenue can be explained under three forms of market. First form of market we have already done in the last video. Today we are going to start with the next heading of the next form of market, that is monopoly market. Today we are going to discuss about the two forms of market, one is monopoly market and is monopolistic market. So what does monopoly means? Monopoly means a market in which there is single seller and large number of buyers. Is a market in which there is single seller. What does it mean single seller? It means monopoly over the goods or monopoly over the commodities there. Next is monopolistic competition market. It is a market in which there are large number of buyers and large number of sellers. It means it was quite similar to the perfect competition market, but it was not similar because in the perfect competition market, the firm is selling the homogeneous product, while in this form of market, the firm is selling heterogeneous product. So come to the point, we are going to start with the relationship between TR, AR and MR under monopoly market. As I have already told you, monopoly market is a form of market in which there is single seller and large number of buyers. As we have done in the last video, what we need to do is, we need to explain TR, AR and MR with formulas and monopoly and its feature. We need to explain this. That is, first of all, what does it mean TR? TR means total revenue generated from sale of its output. What does AR means? AR means per unit revenue generated from sale of its output. MR means the additional revenue generated from sale of an additional unit of output. Now we are going to discuss about the monopoly market. Monopoly market is a form of market in which there is single seller and large number of buyers selling homogeneous or heterogeneous product. That depends upon the situation. It is a market in which there is single seller and large number of buyers. As per the situation, what we are going to discuss today is, in these form of markets, a common feature is more can be sold by lowering the prices. It means if you want to sell more quantity, then we need to reduce the prices in such form of market, that is in the monopoly as well as in the monopolistic. So now we are starting like this. We need to explain the schedule, that is output, TR, AR and MR. These were the situations. So feature of this market is more can be sold by lowering the prices. First value is 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. So I'm writing down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what were the values of TR? First value is 10. Next value 9 2s are 18, 8 3s are 24, 7 4s are 28, 6 5s are 30, 6 5s are 30, 7 4s are 28. These were the situations, that is TR and AR. Now we need to find out MR. MR can be calculated as TRN minus TRN minus 1. So what was the first value? 10. 18 minus 10, 8. 24 minus 18, 6. 4, 2, 0, minus 2. So now we are going to discuss about the different situations under the monopoly market. This is x-axis, this is point of origin, this is y-axis. I am preparing a single diagram for the time being. You can do it in the two diagrams also. TR, AR and MR, and I am writing down output here. First of all, TR is increasing. It was increasing, reaches at its maximum and starts falling. But the thing to consider is the rate in the TR. First of all, increases 8, then 6, then 4, then 2. This is termed as diminishing rate. When the curve is increasing at diminishing rate, in that situation, curve is like this. This is the curve of TR. Now the situation is, we need to prepare two diagrams, that is, one is AR and one is MR. Now the situation is, when TR is maximum, MR is 0, means MR can be like this. Because when TR is maximum, MR is 0, this is the situation. Now the next heading is, we need to prepare AR. This is the diagram of AR. Is it clear? This is TR. I am writing down. TR is increasing at diminishing rate. I am writing down. TR is maximum here. I am writing down. TR starts falling here. These were the situations. These were the situations. So we are coming to its explanation. TR equals to TR upon Q. MR equals to TRN minus TRN minus 1. TR equals to sigma MR. AR and MR calculated from TR. This we have already done. When AR and MR are falling, now check this situation. AR and MR both are falling, but MR is below AR. MR is always below AR. Here is less elastic. Less elastic means here is less than 1. That is, it was termed as it is steeper. Now, when MR is declining, TR is increasing at which rate? Diminishing rate. When TR is maximum, MR is 0. When TR is falling, MR becomes negative. Last situation, MR can be positive, 0, negative. MR can be positive, 0, negative. Whereas TR and AR always remains positive. This was the situation of TR, AR, and MR under monopoly market. Now the difference between monopoly and monopolistic is output, TR, AR, MR. First value is 10, 9.5, 9, 8.5, 8, 7.5, 7, 6.5, then 6. What was the differences? Here TR is reducing by 111, means the prices that are falling more rapidly. Here price is falling less rapidly. First value of TR is 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 5.5 and 4, 10 and 11. Second value is 19. So what I am writing down here 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, minus 1. So 19, 27, 34, 40, 45, 49, 52, 54, 55, 55, then 54. So what was the difference under monopoly and monopolistic market? Difference is x-axis, point of origin, y-axis, TR, AR, and MR. TR is increasing our generation rate, same situation. When TR is maximum, MR is 0. Now the situation is, this is the diagram of MR and this is the diagram of AR. Now as it was already clear to you, this is termed as steeper, this is termed as steeper, and this is termed as flatter. So the main difference under this form of market is, under monopoly competition market, AR curve is steeper, that is less elastic. Here in this form of market, AR is more elastic, that is flatter. This was the only difference. So questions come like this. Explain the relationship between TR, AR and MR under perfect competition market, directly it was, or it was under monopoly market, directly it was, under monopolistic market it was directly. But questions come like this. Explain the relationship between TR, AR and MR when prices remains constant. It was clear. When prices remains constant, it was perfect competition market. But now the situation is, question is, when the firm can sold more by lowering the prices. Now the situation is, which situation we need to explain, that is monopoly or monopolistic. You can do whatever you want, no issues. Because in both form of market, more can be sold by lowering the prices. These were the situations of concepts of revenue, that is TR, AR, MR, and different kinds of relationships under different forms of market. Do watch my next video for the better understanding of the next topic.